Hello everyone, this is Mohammed Nareshwati, the founder of Brain Booster Institute and Arithmetic Reasoning faculty. So welcome to Brain Booster Institute. So reasoning class. So the topic is blood relation. So this is part 3. So welcome to part 3, my dear students. Yeah. So we have been teaching arithmetic reasoning classes for many days. So thanks for supporting me. So if you're watching this video at first time, please subscribe our channel. And if you like this, please like the video and please share it and please comment it here. Thank you very much. So and also I want to start this ultimate reasoning class in Telugu also. So please cooperate with me. Means I will maintain Telugu and English simultaneously. So please cooperate with me and please share it to your friends also. Okay. But um, as soon as possible, I will start our class in Telugu. Thank you very much. So the reasoning class, the blood relation, part 3. Let's go. Yeah, my dear friends, see, in the two parts we have learned how to draw a family tree and blood relations with symbol and different topics we have seen that. So as a part of blood relation topic, now let us learn now model number 1. Okay. So the model number 1, let us see the way of questioning, then how we can build a family tree by using the given question, and how we can say the answer, how we can give the answers within the seconds. Then I'm going to teach a wonderful techniques to you. Please stay tuned. So please see the first question. A's father is B, but A is not a B. Son of B. A's sister is C. D is husband of C. E is son of D. Brother of F is G. F is wife of P. This is completely one single group of family. So this is the given data. By using the given data, don't go through the questions. That's why I'm not giving any questions. I'm not giving any options, my students. Okay, in examination also you have to do first. What do you need to do before going the options? First, completely you need to understand the question. That is the most important thing. Okay, think just read the question and build a family tree. Okay, you will be able to solve. You will be able to answer all types of question. What the point? Once create a family tree. Once build a family tree. Now let's see the family tree. See, A's father is B. I already told you in the part 2. You can see how to build a family tree. Okay, you can see that how to build a family tree. Now A's father is B. A's father is B means B is the father of A. So here I'm writing B is the father of A. So that this symbol we can show this. My dear friends, see ultimately we can say automatically B is positive. Why? Because he is male person father. And let us see the A means as the B is the father of A might be son, A might be daughter, but he mentioned clearly A is not a son of B, means nothing but A must be the daughter of B. And A's sister is C. A's sister is C means the sister relation we show with by implication, sister and the minor means both are sisters of each other. And D is husband of C. D is husband of C. I already told you. Then we have learned this is the husband-wife relation. Sorry, um, husband-wife relation. So D, as D is husband of C, D must be the positive. I already told you, my dear students. My dear friends, see, compulsory before while drawing your family tree, the genders of each persons are the most important thing. Immediately, you need to recognize their gender. Otherwise, you may get confused here. Okay, so that D is husband of C. So here D means D nothing but is a male person, and C is a wife of D. So already she is the sister of A. So already we recognize her. Then yeah, the C is a female person, and D is husband of C. So D must be the male person. Now E is son of D. E is son of D. So I think you might know E is son of D means D must be the father of E. Okay, as E is the son of D, as E is son, so E also must be male person. Okay, and brother of F is G. Brother of F is G. Okay, so here, my dear friend, see, brother of F is G, and F is the wife of B. Okay, your F and G complete the both are your new persons in this family, but where we can connect, whether they connect B or whether they connect C, they may connect with anyone. So if you see the next sentence, see, F is wife of B, so F is connecting with B, so F is wife of B, so that we can say your F is minus, and this shows wife husband relation, and brother of F is G, so brother of F is G. Very simple. So this is the model number one, means it's if one family group it is. So before constructing, then we need to see all this here. Okay, so the most important thing in build relation, only you need to be perfect in how to build a family tree, then you will be say the answer now. Okay, my dear students, see, I'm not giving one questions to you, I framed many questions. Why? Because any questions may come by using this data. Got the point? So let's see the questions now. See, there are many questions I frame here. Total five questions. So, how A is related to B? So, easily we can find this. Easily. How A is related to B? How A is related to B, my dear students? See, A is related to B. Here, see, my dear students, this relation is nothing but father-mother relation. Okay. So, father-mother relation, as B is the father of A is a female person, so A must be the daughter. So, the answer would be daughter. Even they may confuse in the questioning also, my dear friends. How A is related to B means we need to find the relation A to the B. How B is related to A, then father. What the point? That order also the most important here. So C. Okay. So how C is related to G? How C is related to G? So here is the C and here is the G. Then my dear friend, C. Here C is what is C? Here C is nothing but B's daughter. Why? Because as A comma C both are sisters here. Okay. Then C must be the daughter of B. Then daughter of B then means nothing but F must be the mother of C. Mother of C and A. So that we can understand here G is the brother of means mother brothers here. Mother's brother. So that then mother brothers ultimately we call as your uncle, but we need to we need to write the relation from C to G, so that C must be the daughter-in-law. Daughter-in-law. Got the point? And how F is related to E? So here is a F and here is a E. Okay, here is a F and here is E. Then see, my dear friends, here F comma C are both are mother and daughters, and D is nothing but let us frame the relation to the F and D here. Then what is C? Here D is nothing but daughter's husband to the F, daughter's husband. So as E is the son of our daughters, so must be E must be the grandson. But here how F is related to C means we need to frame the relation from F to E. So F must be the grandmother. Very easily, my dear students. I hope you are able to understand. Okay, and grandmother. And how many males are there? Very simple. So how many pluses are there? We need to count one, two, three, and four. Let's see. One, two, three, and 4. So there are 4 males. How many females are there? So as there are 7 members, there are as only 4 are men, then 3 are females. You can count the minus symbol. 1, this is the 1, and the 2, and 3. So there are 3 females. So like this, uh, we can answer the questions. Let's see the next model now. Model number 2. My dear friends, here I'm requesting you to copy everything here. Okay, please watch the video by writing. Okay, watch the video. You can pause it. Okay, please support me. Please don't download it. Okay, please support me. by subscribing, and please share it to your friends. Okay. So let's see the model number two. Son of doctor is a engineer. Sister of engineer is teacher. She is daughter of lawyer. Teacher's husband is lecturer. Son of lecturer is an inspector. Then wife of inspector is constable. This is also one family group, my dear students. This is one family group. But in the previous example, we have seen the direct persons. But in this example, by the professional, by their profession, then he made a question here. Let's see that model number two. Okay, for everything we can build a family tree now. Let's build the family tree. Son of doctor is engineer. Son of doctor is engineer means nothing but a doctor must be the either mother or father to the engineer, either mother or father to the engineer. So as per this first sentence, then we cannot recognize gender of doctor, but a doctor might be the either father or mother of engineer. So as engineer is the son of doctor, then he must be the uh, male person. Okay, E for engineer, D for doctor. Got the point? Now let us take only the first letters of each profession here. Now sister of engineer is a teacher. So E comma E for engineer, and sister of engineer is a teacher. So T for teacher. As a teacher is a sister, then T minus we get here. Got the point? And she is the daughter of lawyer. Who is the daughter of lawyer? Teacher. Teacher is a lawyer of sorry, daughter of lawyer. So then we can say that daughter of lawyer, like this. Here also lawyer also can be say as my student. It we cannot determine its gender. It may be positive. It may be. So means D comma L must be both our wife and husbands. But who is the wife and who is husband? We cannot determine as per data till here. Okay, let's go forward. Then I think we will be able to know who is the wife and who is husband here. Now teacher's husband is a lecturer. Teacher's husband is a lecturer. So as a lecturer already L has come for lawyer, then I'm denoting with the LE. LE is nothing but lecturer. So as a teacher is female, her husband here positive, male person. Now son of lecturer is an inspector. Son of lecturer is an inspector. So son of lecturer means lecturer is the father of inspector. Inspector. So here plus. We can show with the I also. And wife of inspector is constable. So wife of inspector is constable. So constable, so we can say with the L, so C. So C for constable. So this is the complete picture. But as for the data, we cannot determine who is wife and who is husband of D and L here. Okay, just let's see. Let's see the questions now. So yeah, the question is, my dear friends, see how doctor is related to lawyer. So I already told you, as we don't have sufficient data determine the genders of D and L. Here D and L both may be one of them may be wife and one of them may be husband here. Maybe D may be wife or D may be husband. L may be wife. L may be husband. So that's why how doctor is related to lawyer means the only the question we can answer here, my dear friends. Only so we can answer like this: either wife or husband. As we don't have, so if you get don't get any confusion. If you get this type of the question, compulsory he will give like this option. Got the point? So for example, option A is wife, and option B husband, option C A or B also we can say, and option D brother, for example, anything. So we can say that A or B is the correct option here. Okay. So easily we can determine my distance here. Now the next question, see how engineer is related to inspector. How engineer is related to inspector. So who is inspector first of all? Who is inspector? He is the son of lecturer. Who is the son? Who is lecturer here? He is the husband of teacher. Who is teacher? is sister of engineer. Means we can say that engineer is nothing but inspector's mother's brother. It's not inspector's mother's brother. So that engineer must be maternal uncle. If there is only an option uncle, you can put the option, can select the option. If he mention either maternal or paternal, maternal means this relation comes from mother, paternal means this relation comes from father. So as this relation is come from mother, so that is maternal uncle. Okay, if it doesn't mention directly, we can select as a uncle here. And the next one, how teacher is related to the constable. How teacher is related to the constable? Very simple, my friend. See, teacher and constable. Very I know that the inspector is the son of teacher. As she is the wife of inspector, then the she must be teacher's son's wife. So that's why the nothing but daughter-in-law. So she must be the daughter-in-law of teacher. But we need to frame the relation from teacher to constable, so that the answer would be teacher must be aunt. That's it. So like this we can answer those all questions. So you can also make you can create these all the questions. There are many relations, lecturers and teacher and engineer and constable and inspector. Okay, here we cannot determine how many males are there, how many females are there, as we don't know the doctors and lecturers genders here. Got the point? So there you can select easily. You can select easily insufficient data or it can't be determined, and none of this also you can see. Okay, so this is the model number two.